What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, y'all already know what's going on, man. Y'all see the bikes in the back. It is time to get these things finalized for the final time, man. It's been a long, overwhelming week, man, but the light is starting to shine brighter at the end of the tunnel, man. So with that being said, man, we're going to get all these wheels switched up. The gray bike is done. I believe it's sold out at this point. So thanks everybody who supported your boy. We are going live pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to stay updated through the community posts on my YouTube channel, and you'll find out everything about the giveaway. As for the blue one, we'll be getting that one completed today. As for the black one, we'll be getting that one completed today. We'll be starting on the road glide at the end, so let's get it in, dog. Alrighty, guys, we got that front wheel on that thing. Those black mags look really good. Man, that freaking fresh powder coat ain't no joke. That thing looks freaking amazing. Dope bike, complete. It's ready to go, man. So now, in order to put the wheel on the blue one, I need the rotors off of these. So I got to take this wheel off so I can have these rotors and put on that blue one. And we'll put another front wheel on that one right now. So let's get it. Got that road glide off the stand. Now that, I ain't gonna hold you, that gloss black and that flat black kind of looks cool from up here. But like I said, that won't last for long. We got a whole new 2019 paint set on the way. This thing is gonna look freaking amazing. I can't wait. So y'all already see what's going on, man. That should be here towards the end of the week. But I got the wheel on here. We do have the wheel on here. Oh my God, the mags on this black Road King just look so like aggressive. I ain't gonna even hold you, them things look hella aggressive. We do have these wheels for sale. I'm gonna clean them up, put them on the website today. But we do have these for sale, man. So if you are interested, head over to everythingsregular.com and you can buy yours. Now, in order to put this 21 on, we need to get these rotors off. However, I'm not about to break my Torx bit trying to get these things off, man. I done broke too many. So I already know I'm gonna take it to the shop and they're gonna freaking take them off, put them on the other one, and we'll come back and get this blue one situated. But in the meantime, now that that denim gray one is done, we can get this blue one moved to the front. We can get that black one right here. So it's gonna go gray, black, road glide, blue. Alrighty, man, we got everything organized, ready to go. Now put the blue one back right here because we have to get the rear wheel off of this one first so we can be able to put that one on there and match those wheels up. So we'll be loading this one up shortly, taking it to the Hummy, getting the back wheel put on, and then we'll take all the wheels over there and probably ride this one, come back and ride that one back over there. So that sounds like a plan to me, honestly. So we're gonna get it going and get it together. Meanwhile, we got the black Road King ready to go on them aggressive things. Thing look good. So both of these are complete, ready to go, and we'll get these situated. So meanwhile, our interfering for our road glide, gloss black already did come. Then we do have the speaker covers. Those came today as well as these storage covers. So we're good there. I still think I need that bracket that holds this on there because I think that's bent, but we won't know for certain until we take it off. So we might have to take that off today. Back down here, got the i8 on a full charge there. And I got to put these exhaust bolts and stuff in before we can really move these things. I found some floorboards for it. So we're gonna go get the floorboards and get those on here today. We have the interferent and stuff upstairs. However, I don't want to put the interferent on just yet. Trying to see if we got some bent up stuff up front. But furthermore, let's get these little bolts situated real quick. Guys, we got that exhaust tidied up. It's not moving anywhere. So we had a huge exhaust leak the first time yesterday. So we can see if it sounds a little bit better. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. Alrighty, so we still got a slight exhaust leak up here. Probably had to get some new gaskets or something. When they switch the exhaust, they probably the gaskets probably fell out or something. I don't know, but we'll get that thing situated. No big deal. Yeah, we definitely got to get that thing situated because it's coming too much out of the heads. But it's running though. Running. We got no gas in this joint, so we'll see, man. We'll see what y'all think about it though. Let your boy know in the comments below. Yep, definitely gonna need some new gaskets for that exhaust, but other than that, it seems like it's pretty fair. Once we get this front end figured out, we should be good. Now it does look, like I said, it does look freaking whopped. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what part is damaged. Believe it's gonna be the bracket that's holding this whole thing up together. Now, that's just me. At least that's what I'm thinking. Pretty sure I'm right, but y'all got any ideas, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Y'all road glide riders. Meanwhile, we did get the interferent in the mail. It is gloss black, so it's gonna match up nicely with our new paint set. But don't want to put I could put it on right now. However, like I said, something is bent up here. So once we get some of this stuff out, I don't want to have too much stuff all over the place, because if it is bent and we don't have the part, you know, it's going to be sitting until we do, because I don't want to, you know, just start putting stuff together and not knowing where it's going. So in the meantime, man, we got these wheels over here. I need to clean these up. Need to clean these things up. So they will be on the website right now, everythingsregular.com, and you can go purchase them if you're interested. That way you don't have to email me and stuff, because it is a lot of you. So it'll just work easier like that. So I'm gonna clean these joints up. One set has no back rotor for the back wheel, so that one will be less, of course. Had to use that rotor, but the front is complete for that set. Here's the back for this one. I'll clean it up real quick, and then we got the front on the other side. Yes, sir. And then we did pick up our floorboards. It's funny when I go pick up stuff from like Offer Up and stuff like that, man, like motorcycle parts in particular, it's almost 100%, if not freaking 90% to 80%, that I'm gonna run into one of my subscribers, man. So my subscriber hooked me up. He was like, hey man, I check out your videos. So I appreciate you guys supporting, tuning in, man. Everything helps, everything counts, man. So thank you for support, man. I appreciate you, dog. We got these floorboards now, so we can go get these things put on real quick, I guess, right? Meanwhile, we gotta go up to Harley and get some bolts so we can put these freaking things on, man, and we'll be good to go, man. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys. We did get some parts. We found a little freaking cheap air breather for our motorcycle, so we can get that that cruddy looking one off of there. But we did get our little most of our bolts for the floorboard, man. We still gotta go to the other Harley. You know, none of these Harleys ever have everything you need. They got you going around the city to get one bolt, one bolt here, one screw there, and a washer at another place. So I'm back at another Harley, man. Let's see if they got what we need. All right, guys, just made it back to the crib. We about to get these floorboards put on real quick and see if that don't change that up a little bit. Alrighty, guys, we done finished up putting those floorboards on. You guys can check those out there. It does actually make it look a little bit better. Then we did put our little air filter on. We found this little air filter at Harley, but the fittings are a little bit different, so gonna pull the air filter cover off the other one just to see what's different under here real quick. Alrighty, we figured that air filter out. Gotta get this thing wiped down because it definitely looked like I was touching all over it. But it does look a little bit better. We got the floorboards on there now, so we can go on our first ride. We literally need one bolt right here, and then we can take this thing on a ride. But all in all, it's looking really good. Those floorboards definitely made that thing look way better. Now we're off to the last part on this black bike. You guys see the little damaged light right there. Got a brand new one. We're about to switch it out real quick and we be done. Alrighty, man. That's funny how that little air filter literally brought that engine bay that much more together. Looks a lot better now. Get this thing started up. I hate that freaking exhaust leak. Forgot to get some freaking pig spit again. We gonna take this thing around real quick. Around a little circle real quick, no big deal. We'll get it in. The homie ended up blessing us with like a toolbox and whatnot. So now we got all our tools and stuff up in here. We don't gotta scavenge through that box no more. So we good there. That saved us a lot of space, a lot of time and organization skills, but we're gonna get it going, man. So I'm digging this for sure. Alrighty, guys, man. Next morning here, about to get this bike loaded up, take it to the homie house so we can get that back wheel switched out. Then we can come back and finish that blue one, man. So I want to just get this thing tackled, but we're about to load it up and get it going, man. Alrighty guys, now that we got that thing loaded up, we can load up this wheel as well, because we need the rotors off that joint. We had some brand new rotors, but they don't get here till tomorrow, so I'm gonna just snatch them off. When we come back, we'll be able to put the front tire on this blue one, and then we'll take this blue one to get the rear switched out. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got a few things done on the Road Glide, a few things done on the Road King. I'm about to get the rest of the fleet literally finished today. Don't want to hold y'all. We should be going live today at 6 p.m. We should be. And then I did get one of these little spinny things, trying to figure out exactly how it go. But we're gonna put on a show, y'all. So be sure to tune in tonight, man. We are going live, man. I can't wait to see where this freaking Road King is going. You guys already know we do have the 2017 Road Glide special that is on the back of the truck back there. We do have a 2019 Road Glide special paint set coming in, and it looks like this. Freaking great. Look at that green on that thing. Look at the pinstripe. Everything looks amazing, man. So can't wait till that thing gets here. We're gonna be putting that thing together. So if you guys want that to be your ride, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you a Everything's Regular limited edition keychain, and you'll be entered into win the Road Glide, man. You guys see the Road Glide, it got the wheels and stuff on it already. You already see the potential. You guys see the paint set. But if you guys have entered the giveaway for that Road King, man, be sure to tune in tonight. The star of the show, man. It's time to see where this thing is gonna go, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys tonight on live.